Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time, it is the Otterbox Commuter case. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decide to pick up the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're looking for some cases. Well, in this video, I will be reviewing the Otterbox Commuter case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I need to give a big shout out to Otterbox for actually sending the case out to me for review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Can you wireless charge with the case? Does it add bulk? And just the overall feel of the case. But, you know, normal packaging from them, Otterbox. It says 3-time tested, drop protection there. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so and read it. Alright, so here's the case itself. You have the Otterbox logo there. Also Drop Plus. It has like this little cushion on the inside. I guess this is for the impact when you drop it. But it's almost like a two-piece case because this will pop off. And the inside is the rubber and then the back is the hard plastic that will protect your phone from drops. It does have a little tab on here for the port down there. So that adds a little bit extra protection. I like the grips that you have on both sides here. And it just feels like it's going to be a grippy case. Which this year, that's what I'm looking for, is something where I feel like I'm not going to drop my phone. So here's a little side profile. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Look at the camera protection you get. Also, lip action is great. You can see there and there. I have the little test that I'm going to always do on the videos now. Can you slide something underneath the table? Yes, you can. So you have a lot of room down there for the lip protection. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and tactile also. I like that. Everything lines up at the bottom. You can even see the microphones line up. Now in this case, again, I wish they would have came down to the bottom of the frame because you can get the S Pen out with no problem, but if you have fingernails, it's a lot easier. But it's not that hard. But if they made the case go down to the frame, I just think that would be better. The little charging port. Now, will you take this off? Some people actually cut this off, but I'm gonna leave it on there now. But it gets, I mean, it's kind of hard to get off. Oh, there you go. You gotta kind of push on the back of it and pop it out. Again, everything's better with fingernails. Now, does it add bulk to your phone? Yes, it adds some bulk to your phone. Not much, though. But you get so much protection on this case, though. So it does add a little bit of bulk to it. I won't say that it's horrible, but it definitely adds some bulk to it. But look at it, though. Well, can you wireless charge? I don't think we will have a problem. And yes, you can wireless charge without any issues either. So you can wireless charge. Let's see the overall fit. Oh, y'all, like I can't move this at all. And when you take the corners off, you have to do some work. So the fit is good. The design feels really good in the hands. Wireless charge does add a little bit of bulk to your phone, which is not a bad deal. But overall, this is a nice looking case. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, y'all, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.